Hi, my name is Eileen Crone and I work in the Northern Ireland Statistics and Research Agency, heading up the Dissemination Branch. This presentation is going to provide a short explanation of who we are in NISRA, details on the Section 75 data we produce and how you can access it. I will also provide details on how you can contact us to request help or advice on any of the information we produce. NISRA is an agency within the Department of Finance and we are the principal source of statistics and social research in Northern Ireland. We are in the privileged position to have statisticians posted throughout the government departments in Northern Ireland, as well as in non-departmental public bodies and local councils. Our statisticians are on hand to assist our policy colleagues in the policy process and work with them to deliver their objectives and actions. Statistics produced by NISRA can be found on the NISRA website www.nisra.gov.uk. As you can see from the slide, the home page is organised into various themes. Simply click on the theme to find the relevant statistics. Statistics can also be accessed through each department's own website. Statistics are disaggregated at different levels depending on the availability of information. The NISRA website or each department's own website will give details on what is available. You can also contact the statistician in each department for advice or support. If you're unsure of which department produces the information, you can email the general NISRA mailbox at info@nisra.gov.uk. Your query will then be forwarded to the relevant work area who will then respond in due course. The Dissemination Branch within NISRA has responsibility for managing the Northern Ireland Neighbourhood Information Service website, or NINIS for short. NINIS hosts small area statistical data for Northern Ireland and contains various data sets which can be accessed or downloaded. The website also contains a wide range of interactive content such as population pyramids, infographics and maps. Support on using the website is provided by the NINIS team, who can be contacted by phone or email, and details will be shared at the end of the presentation. Free training courses are also run by the team, which traditionally took place in our headquarters at Colby House, but due to the impact of COVID-19, we are providing these courses online. NINIS contains a range of Section 75 information, the main source being results from the last census in 2011. There is a dedicated section on NINIS on results from the census 2011 and it can be accessed in two different ways. As you can see in this slide, if you click on the Statistics tab on the home page and then click on Census 2011. Alternatively, you can click on the Census 2011 icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Clicking on Census 2011 will take you to the following page as shown in this slide. This details all the information available on NINIS relating to Census 2011. To help you find the information you need, rather than having to scroll through the numerous number of data sets available, a filter function exists. You can filter by subset or geography to narrow down your search. A quick method of accessing the census table if you know the table ID is to enter the ID in the search box which appears on the top of each page as circled as red on the slide. In this example, the table number KS212NI was entered in the search box and this returned 5 tables, each containing results from the census on religion or religion brought up in by all the available geographies. If you select the second table on the list, which is by super output area, it will take you to the grid view as shown on the next slide. If you click on the Variable tab, it will show you a list of all the variables in the table. You can select any of them individually or select them all, just whatever statistics you require. You can also click on the SOA tab to select or deselect any of the super output areas you're interested in. As well as viewing the information on screen, there is also the option to download the information in either CSV, Excel or PDF format using the download button on the top right hand corner of the screen as circled in red on the slide. By clicking on the button beside the download, you can change the format of your download according to your preference. A list of all the standard tables produced from Census 2011 can be found by clicking on the link Standard Output Tables on the Census 2011 page, which is circled in red on the slide. Census have also produced a number of commissioned outputs, and details on these can be found on the Commission's Output page of the 2011 Census section on the NISRA website. As well as Section 75 data available for the last census on NINUS, other sources of information exist which may be of interest to you. NINUS holds information on population estimates by age and gender, newcomers in education, crime and particular incidents with a hate motivation, homophobic, racist and sectarian, benefits data, employment data by disability and age, cars licensed with a disability reference tax code, disease prevalence, results from the Northern Ireland Life and Time Survey, the Northern Ireland Multiple Deprivation Measures 2017, and in particular the Health and Disability Deprivation domain. Datasets can be accessed in a number of ways, either by browsing the relevant theme, by clicking on the theme boxes on the home page, or by using the Advanced Data Search option. I'm going to show you how to use the Advanced Data Search option, and in this example we're going to search for statistics relating to disease prevalence. Simply type disease prevalence into the search box at the top of the home screen and hit return. This will show up 17 results, and these results can be further filtered by clicking on the Go to Advanced Search option circled in red on the slide. The Advanced Search function allows you to filter by statistical theme and year as well as by geography. Clicking on the Show button beside geography, circled here in red on the slide, opens up the options available at this level, as shown on the next slide. You can see the many geographies that are available and make your selection to refine your search. NINUS also hosts information for two customised sections, Making Life Better and Neighbourhood Renewal Areas. Making Life Better is a 10-year strategic framework for public health and was launched in 2014. It was designed to provide direction for policies and actions to improve the health and well-being of people in Northern Ireland to reduce inequalities in health. To facilitate the high-level monitoring of progress, a set of key indicators was agreed. This section hosts all relevant statistics in this area at the different geographical levels. The Making Life Better section can be accessed through the Making Life Better box on the home page. NINUS also provides statistical data for each of the neighbourhood renewal areas across Northern Ireland. Under the Government's People and Place strategy, 36 neighbourhoods across Northern Ireland have been designated as areas that are experiencing the highest level of deprivations. This section can also be accessed via the home page by clicking on the Neighbourhood Renewal box. NINUS also provides statistical summaries for different areas. We call these area profiles. Area profiles are available for population estimates, Census 2011, economy, deprivation, age-friendly, making life better and neighbourhood renewal. Area profiles for a given area can be accessed by typing in a postcode to the search box on the home page or selecting Area Profile on the navigation bar. Once you type in the postcode, you'll be taken to the Area Profile page on NINUS. Here you can select the geographical area you require the profile for. In this example, I am going to click on the LGD 2014 profile. This takes you to the population profile for the LGD 2014 area that the postcode belongs to. The population area profile gives information on the latest population for this LGD as well as Northern Ireland. From this page you can also navigate between geographies and themes by clicking on the tabs on the top of the area profile page. In this particular example you can see the area profiles exist for population, Census 2011, economic, age-friendly and making life better. This has just been a general overview of the information that is produced by NISRA and available on NINUS in relation to Section 75 and how to access it. NISRA has also produced a paper Accessing NISRA Population Level Section 75 data, which is available on the NINUS section of the NISRA website. Help is also available by emailing info@nisra.gov.uk or telephoning our helpline on 0300 200 7836. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook for information on our latest releases. NINUS also run free training courses throughout the year, and if you're interested in attending any of our training, which is currently being run online due to COVID-19, please email us on info@nisra.gov.uk and register your interest.